Welcome to the comprehensive training video on NissanConnect services, your gateway to a world of connectivity and convenience. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to add your vehicle and connect to the NCS app. Click on Add Vehicle to begin the process. To pair your vehicle with the app, make sure you have your VIN ready and your vehicle is nearby, within an area with good network coverage. Once these conditions are met, click the Next button. You can manually input the 17-digit VIN or use the scanning option, which is available inside the opening of the front passenger door. To scan, hold your VIN inside the frame of the scanner. A prompt will appear confirming the VIN. Check if the VIN matches the one on your vehicle. If it appears incorrect, scan it again or you may enter it manually. Click Next, scroll down, and accept the terms and conditions. Go to your vehicle, turn on the engine, and take note of your odometer value. Then click Next. Once you have your odometer value, turn off the engine and enter the value. Click Next. The NissanConnect services are being activated. Click OK to proceed. You have successfully paired NissanConnect services with your vehicle. Now, you can enjoy a wide range of features and seamlessly integrate them into your daily life. NissanConnect services offers a variety of functions and customer benefits. Let's explore these features on the app.